Hello guys, in this short video tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to convert your Google Sheet into a CSV file. Okay, you go to this Google Apps here, click on it, go down, you locate your spreadsheet. Once you locate your spreadsheet, if you want to work on a new one, you click on the plus sign. If you already have a spreadsheet that you want to convert to CSV, just click on it, open it. Once it's opened, then you click on File, then scroll down to Download. Once you get to Download, then you scroll down. Look at it here. That is comma separated value, that's CSV. So just click on it and you hold on while it's converting, and it's already uploading. Once the progress is complete, you open your CSV file. Let's wait for a CSV file to open. Okay, so that's it guys. That is how to convert your Google spreadsheet to CSV file. This is your CSV file. Okay, you can export this, you can upload it to any software. Thanks for watching.